And now let me tell you how Type-C circuit exactly works. As you can see from the charger, firstly CC pin is communicating. You can see the signal on the oscilloscope, and then after that the V-bus power is going to the CD, and then after that CD release all the LDOs, and the LDOs are percents. And then after that what's happened, let me tell you. Here's the TBD ROM which communicates, and you can see the SPI communications, and then after that your CD release 5 volts output, and it goes to the charging chip. After that charging IC generate a power that is called PP bus underscore A on. At the same time, it sends an enable signal to U5700 that is called A on controller, and the A on controller generate a power that is called PP3V8 A on that goes to the main PMU and the slab PMU, and both the PMU after that they are getting turn on. After turning on, they are generating buck powers, LDO powers, and single-ended signals, and necessary protocol communications is happening through the M1 CPU, and M1 CPU after turning on it's communicating to the CD3217 through an I2C protocols. And after that what happened, you can see inside the oscilloscope the I2C communications is happening. After that one more time CC communication is happening, and from 5 volts it's going to switch to 20 volts, and you can see the CC line and the 5 volts to 20 volts. You can see the bunch of code that decide it has to switch from 5 volts to 20 volts, and that was the Type-C. After that your device will start turning on. So I would like to present MacBook